Welcome to channel CSC Education. Myself Subhadra Kumar Dani, lecturer in mathematics. Today I am discuss the format of integral value of the function in the integration of e to power ax sin px dx plus of another is and e to power ax cos px dx integration. So this is the very most important topic for the board exams or any competitive exams. Okay. So firstly I am discuss the first bit that is, suppose let in this type that is the two part e to power ax sin px dx. So it is obviously it is integration by parts form. Okay, all right. So first of all let I equal to I the integral value integrations of e to power of ax sin of px first in the given bit. Okay, I am using the ILET formula. ILET. So ILET, that means firstly inverse trigonometric functions, secondly logarithm function, thirdly algebraic function, fourthly trigonometric function, lastly exponential function. Given your question is here, two functions are there. One is exponential function, another is trigonometric function. By the ILET formula, trigonometric function is the first function and second function is the exponential function. So here exponential function is the second function, sin of px is the first function. So integration by parts formula, first function remain constant, that means sin of px remain constant. Then in the integration of the second function, that means e to power ax is the integration value divided by a, minus in the integration of first function derivative, that means sin px derivative is p cos px here of in the exponential function e to power ax by a the integral value. Okay, so this value equals to e to power of ax by a sin of px minus b by a is the constant factor, in the constant is common, so e to power ax cos bx dx the integral value. Okay, so here in this form the previous part given part e to power ax sin bx, so again integration by parts used here because of this part is show you. Okay, so this value equals to e to power ax by a sin bx minus b by a integrations, that is the secondly by parts used. So cos bx is the constant part, e to power ax by a is the integration value, minus in the bracket integral value of cos bx minus b sin bx. Okay, again e to power ax by a of syntax. Okay, alright. Now this value equals to e to power a x by a sin of ax minus b by a square, sorry, and e to power ax cos of bx minus then minus, it's minus here, b by a b by a b by a, that means b square by a square, integration of e to power ax sin of bx, that is the given part is your I. Okay, so in the left hand side the value is I plus b square by a square of I equals to e to power ax by a sin bx minus b by a square e to power ax cos of bx here. Okay, so this factor is equal to a square plus b square by a square of I equals to e to power ax by a minus, sorry, into sin of a bx minus b by a square e to power ax cos of bx. So put this I equals to e to power ax by a into multiplied of a square by a square plus b square sin bx here a minus b square by a square then multiplied of a square by a square plus b square in the exponential e to power ax cos of bx plus c here because the integration coming here. Now cancel this value here e to power ax by a square plus b square each common factor. The value is a sin bx minus b b. So b e to power cos of dx plus c, that is the result. I am telling this type of questions. So this question is similar questions. Okay. Integrations of e to power x sin 2x dx. So firstly answer, let I equals to e to power x sin of 2x. Okay. So firstly this is the two functions e to power x sin 2x in the multiplied of integral form. So we use Euler formula. Firstly Euler formula. What is Euler formula? First of all, these two functions compromise which is the first and which is the second functions. Okay. So firstly, in the exponential function and trigonometry functions, so here by the rules of Euler, trigonometry function is the first function, second function is the exponential function. Okay. So this value equals to here first function is the sin 2x by the integration by parts. First function remain constant. Then integration of e to power x is e to power x minus integration of sin 2x derivative is 2 cos of 2x first of all, and integral value is e to power x dx here. Okay. So this value equals to sin 2x. This function remain constant, e to power x sin of 2x minus 2 is the constant factor common, cos e to power x cos of 2x dx. But the given part is the your question part converted. So this value again by parts formula e to power x sin of 2x minus 2 e to power x is the bracket of in the first and second. First function is here trigonometry function because the exponential trigonometry is trigonometry first function and exponential function is second functions. Alright. So first function remain constant in the by parts. So cos of 2x is constant and integration of e to power x is multiplied by e to power x minus integration of in the derivative of cos 2x minus 2 sin of 2x. Okay. And value e to power of x dx. Okay. Now this value equals to e to power of x sin 2x minus 2 e to power of x cos of 2x minus then minus, value is minus here. So value is 4 integration e to power x sin 2x dx. This is the I. So this value equals to e to power of x sin 2x minus 2 e to power of x cos of 2x minus 4 of I. This implies this I value equals to this. So now in the left hand side 1 plus of 4 of I equals to e to power x sin 2x minus 2 e to power of x cos 2x. Okay. So this value equals to implies that I equals to e to power x by 5 sin e to power 5 sin 2x minus 2 by 5 e to power of x cos 2x plus c the integral value constant. So This is the answer of these questions. Okay. I am putting another part, another question discuss about this part. Suppose question is integration e to power of x cos square of x. Okay, so firstly, this is the conversion factor. In the answer, let I equals to integration e to power x cos to square of x dx. First convert this factor because it is not a 2 here, a squaring factor in the format of cos square x e to power of x 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 of dx. Now this value equals to integration e to power x 1 by 2 is common factor plus 1 by 2 is common factor integrations e to power x cos of 2x dx. Okay, so now this value equals to half of e to power of x plus I1 of half plus C1 is the constant, suppose I is the factor. Okay, alright, this is the equation 1. Again, I1 equals to integration e to power of x cos of 2x in the formula form. So here first function, second function, integration by first value. So this value equals to e to power x is the integral value, second function cos 2x is the first function constant minus 2 cos of 2x e to power of x dx here. Now this value equals to e to power x cos 2x minus, here the value is 2 common, again e to power of x, sorry, the integral value is here sine of 2x, sine 2x. So here sine 2x, yes. So this value equals to e to power x cos 2x minus 2 integration value here again by parts, value is e to power x integral value sine 2x is the first function constant minus e to power of x sine 2x derivative is 2 cos of 2x of e to power of x dx, the integral value. Okay, now this value equals to e to power of x here cos of 2x, here I1 minus 2 e to power x sine of 2x minus 4 e to power x cos of 2x dx. So 5 by 1 equals to e to power x cos 2x minus 2 e to power x sin 2x. This value also I1 equals to e to power of x cos 2x 1 divided by 5 minus 2 by 5 e to power x sin 2x plus C2. Now putting this value in the given equation 1, the answer is here I equals to here half e to power x constant plus half of I1, that means this factor, half of I1, that means 1 by 5 e to power of x cos 2x minus 2 by 5 e to power x sin 2x plus C1 plus C2. This implies I equals to half e to power x plus 1 by 10 e to power x cos 2x plus minus 1 by 5 e to power x sin 2x plus C1 plus C2 is this vector. Okay. Today I have discussed the evaluation of the integral of the form e to power sin ax sin px and e to power ax cos px integral. Some problem based upon this. My dear students, share my channel and subscribe my channel. Any problem or any doubt, then next video I am try to solve it.